I'm John Davies, and I'm here at GreenBiz Studio with Steve Lowe, Marketing Director of Granite Power. Welcome, Steve.
Thanks, John. How are you? Pleasure
Doing
to be
great.
here.
So, Steve, tell us, what does Granite Power do?
Granite Power has a unique solution to take some waste heat and turn that into electricity. So, wasted energy, we can use that at some point. Our system takes heat from things such as diesel-fired power stations or open cycle gas turbines, steelworks, and we use that heat to run a small cycle called an organic Rankine cycle, and we produce electricity out of that. The uniqueness of what we do compared to other systems is our system and the processes we have patented means that our system goes what's called supercritical, which means we give about 40% more electricity out of a heat source compared to what's happened over the past 40 or 50 years. So that's the advantage we're looking to use.
So what brings you here to Hawaii? Does this offer any unique opportunity for Granite Power?
Yes, it does. Apart from being a wonderful place to come to Hawaii, it's very cold in Sydney at the moment, so we're enjoying this very much. Hawaii has a number of opportunities for us. Believe it or not, Hawaii, from an energy sense, is regarded as a remote or an islanded type of grid, of which costs are quite high. There's a lot of oil-based electricity generation here, reflected in higher costs, and the local operator has a unique problem, and they're almost regarded to be someone that's as well qualified or well operated as a mainland type of grid, but they're an islanded situation which gives them huge problems and logistic issues. We try and understand those, although we're not the experts there, and we believe that given that they have a solution and they're looking to go to 100% renewable in the next 30 years or so, in some way we may be able to help some of those step changes in a small way as part of a lot larger picture. We have had some discussions with the local authorities, and we do believe there are some opportunities that we would look to pursue, and there are some private players in this market as well that have waste heat that are looking to do something with it to produce their own electricity or to offset some of their costs. So we're pursuing those opportunities.
Great. So I understand that islands offer a big opportunity for your solutions. Are there any specific industries that also you're targeting?
Yes, there are. Our commercial projects that we're operating at the moment, the largest one that we have in service, a 150 kilowatt unit, is on the back of a bitumen distilling factory, and that is back in Australia at Newcastle, about 100 miles north of Sydney. We are looking at some steelworks and some aluminium smelters throughout some of the archipelagos of Indonesia and the Philippines. The lowest hanging fruit for us really though is a lot of places that have diesel-fired power stations as their base load, and we can give them about a 10% recovery. And we will be announcing in the near future that we are doing something in the mid-Pacific on the back of the diesel-fired 20 megawatt power station in Samoa, which we like to think is a great win-win for both parties. The cost of the electricity we produce is about half of the cost that they would pay by burning diesel fuel through their engine. So we believe that's a great innovation, and that's where our market is. It's good for the developing emerging economies, and it's good for the environment as well.
That's great. So I've been here with Steve Lowe, Marketing Director for Granite Power. Thanks,
Great.
Steve.
Thanks very much, John.